In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can delete your Google Ads account if you simply don't need it anymore. My name is Robin, I have 5 years of e-commerce experience and I'm going to show you exactly how you delete your account in this video. So simply go to Tools and Settings, click on Setup, click here on Preferences, scroll down where it says Account Status, click on there and click here on Cancel My Account. Click here on Cancel Account again, so you confirm it. So this is the way how you can cancel your account. There is no way to actually delete the account from here. So this is the way how you protect your Google Ads account from unnecessary changes. My name is Robin, and if this video was valuable for you, make sure you put a thumbs up and watch any of the recommendation videos. Have a nice day.